The San Diego Air and Space Museum is located in Balboa Park, San Diego, California. The museum's collection includes rare and iconic aircraft, such as the Apollo 9 command module. The Apollo 9 command module, named Gumdrop, is a major highlight, providing a glimpse into the Apollo program. It opened to the public in 1963 and has since become a prominent institution in aviation history. The museum houses a vast collection of aircraft, spacecraft, and aviation artifacts. Visitors can explore the evolution of flight from the Wright brothers era to modern space exploration. You can experience interactive exhibits, flight simulators, and hands-on activities for all ages. It's home to the Gillespie Field Annex, featuring additional aircraft and restoration facilities. The museum hosts special events, educational programs, and aviation-themed exhibitions throughout the year. It played a crucial role in preserving and presenting the history of aviation in the Southern California region. The museum's restoration team works on maintaining and refurbishing vintage aircraft to keep them in pristine condition. It offers educational programs for students, aiming to inspire future generations in the field of aerospace. The museum has a strong focus on STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, education. Notable artifacts include the Lockheed Vega, flown by Amelia Earhart, and the Spirit of St. Louis replica. The museum often collaborates with other aviation institutions to enhance its exhibits and programs. It celebrates the achievements of aviators, astronauts, and pioneers who have shaped the aerospace industry. The museum regularly hosts lectures and presentations by experts in aviation and space exploration. There's an emphasis on preserving the cultural and technological heritage of aviation history. One of its highlights is the Ford Building, a historic structure that showcases a variety of aviation exhibits. The museum has received accolades for its commitment to preserving and promoting aerospace history. It attracts visitors from around the world who are interested in the evolution of flight. The museum's exhibits cover a wide range of topics, from military aviation to commercial air travel. It actively engages with the local community through outreach programs and partnerships.
I'm Amelia Earhart. I have devoted my life to flying, to living an adventure that very few women of my era were able to live. Braving the odds, I was the first woman to successfully fly across the Atlantic Ocean solo in 1932.
The gift shop offers aviation-themed merchandise, making it a great place for enthusiasts to find unique items.